Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Low Standard Garage. Today we're working on the Subaru again. So for those of you who don't know, the Subaru used to have a wide body when I bought it. It wasn't on there correctly. It was self-tapered in. A couple months after I got the car, we fixed all the holes from the wide body on the front fender, but we never did the rear. So today, while we're all nice and quarantined, we're gonna finally work on the rear. I got Nick here with me.
I wouldn't say we're very quarantined right now.
We're close enough. Yeah, it's just us.
6 feet, right?
Yep. 6 feet. Yeah, sure. Flip on light in here. There we go. Got some light now. But yeah, so we're gonna Bondo these holes, and gotta do it on both sides. Sand it, primer it, paint it, and then she should be looking a little bit cleaner. Just the smallest amount to, yeah. I mean, as long as the holes are gone, bro, that's all I can really ask for. I don't care about how the paint looks. I'm gonna end up painting the whole car.
We'll get the holes to disappear. It's just gonna, it might just, you know, it could be easy to the point where we just sand it down with a few different grits of sandpaper and be nice and smooth, ready for paint, or it's gonna take, you know, a little bit of sanding and everything. So
right. So we're gonna get to that, and we'll keep you guys updated. So right now we're sanding down the holes that the screws came out of. They're like raised up a little bit. Should look good when it's done. Hopefully will look better. I mean, there won't be holes in the side of the car, so that'll be nice. Look really good with that tint. If you guys haven't seen our last video, go check it out. Got my windows tinted on this thing. Shout out to Eric from Trick Tint one more time. Shout him out in that video. Go click on the links in the description. If you need any tinting done, he did it for a great price. Did a great job, was quick with it, comes to you, so make sure you guys go check that out if you're looking to get any tint done. So we're gonna sand down these holes, get everything nice and flat, put Bondo over it, sand the Bondo down so the holes are filled, and then paint it up, and should be done. We're just gonna rattle can it like usual, the Low Standard Garage special, so that'll be nice. Jordan showed up while we were working on it. You guys haven't met him yet, but probably won't. Jordan doesn't like the camera. Well, that's Jordan's Jeep. We're all squatted up in the driveway, chilling, hanging out. Jordan, what do you got to say?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Why you gotta do this to me? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that done, get that going, and shouldn't be too long. We already are almost done with one side of sanding it down and whatnot, and then we'll move on to the next side. And then Bondo. Really, the longest process is gonna be waiting for everything to dry. So keep you guys updated. Alright, so we got everything sanded down, and now applying the Bondo. First little bits of it to get the holes filled in, sand it down, and then paint it.
Yeah, if everything goes right, then we'll be able to just do once, but we might have to do a couple coats, sanding it of Bondo to get it nice and filled. Let's see.
Alright, so we're sanding down the Bondo right now. This is just the first coat of the Bondo. So, what do you think? We're gonna have to put more?
Yeah, some of these areas we'll have to fill in more. You can see it. I don't know how well the camera will pick it up, but all of this, that where that white is, that's just the powder, so I have to come back and fill those in, so when we paint it, you won't see the holes anymore. So
Alright, so we sanded the Bondo first coat. We're putting more Bondo on. We still got some spots that we need to go back over and whatnot. So, getting the second coat on, I'm gonna go ahead and get that all set up, and yeah. What are you expecting, Nicholas?
Not a lot of spots actually need it. Just small filling in, so we're just doing some small patching and hopefully one more sanding, get it all smooth, and get her done.
Alright, so probably one more coat, sand, paint, then she should be looking all good, so we're gonna get to that. Alright, so we still gotta sand the other side, the Bondo. This side's all done, we got it all taped up. We're about to just rattle can it. Good old trusty Rust-Oleum. Please sponsor me so I can keep painting stuff, because wow, do I spend a lot of money on this.
I mean, what other way is to do it other than Rust-Oleum spray paint?
Honestly, it's free promo, so pay up, guys. I'm not joking anymore. I spend too much money on paint.
I'm tired of this shit.
Right. I need a check. Come on. Also, if Raceland wants to sponsor me, that'd be sick, so I can stop monster trucking, because I really am monster trucking here. So
monster trucking, as there's 3500 diesel and a Jeep that's lifted outside.
Wait, bro, this is monster trucking though. For a Subaru, come on, bro. I can't be caught lacking like this. All right, so anyway, off topic. We're gonna paint this side, sand down the other side, paint the other side, and then we should be done. All right, so it's the next day. Yesterday we ran out of paint, so I had to pick up some more paint this morning before I came over. A little update. So this side is now getting primered. We got one more hole that we did in Bondo, so we're gonna take care of that while we're doing all that. This side actually got 2 coats of paint. All the holes are gone, as you can see. Turned out pretty nice. We might throw one more coat on it, depending on how it looks in the light, but it's looking pretty good. So yeah, so we might be done with that side. We don't know yet. We're gonna look at it in more light and see if it needs more paint. But other than that, all we gotta do is Bondo that one hole, primer the rest of this side, paint this side, and then we're pretty much finished up. So we'll get to that and show you the results.
Saw it, dude.
Saw it, dude.
I got you this, dude. I bought the wrong one in the first place, and I was like, Arizona, not Peace Tea, idiot.
Peace tea's still good, pal. These right here are the best thing ever. I'm telling y'all right now. You heard it from me first. So,
Hold on, let me go wrap it up here real quick.
it's a tornado outside. I got a little dinky one. Right there.
Whatever gets some heat in this garage. Not bad though.
Yeah, I mean, I came in here, it wasn't cold or anything. So.
Closest plug-in?
I mean, besides the one that the other one's already running on.
So I left here last night, and I went to the gas station to stop, get something to drink. Fucking leave the gas station, lost my running lights and my dash lights in the truck. Yeah, so luckily it wasn't windy, but I actually figured it out this morning.
What was it?
So for any people that have, if I can get this to turn on or something. Anybody that has a second gen Dodge, there's going to be two fuses. There's going to be one in the cab and one under the hood. They're going to be your running lights. The one under the hood is a micro 15 amp. The one in the cab is a 10 amp. So my 10 amp fuse was fine inside the truck. The one under the hood was blown. So if you guys have the same issue where you lose your dash lights and your running lights, check that fuse under the hood. It's a 15 amp fuse, micro fuse. Really simple. I'm glad it wasn't anything else. So
solid.
Yeah, you brought your speaker today. Nice.
So I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it on the camera, but we're looking at the car now. We're going to need one more coat of white. We used a really dark primer. It's still pretty black back here.
Right in this area. I don't know how well the camera, like you said, is going to focus. But it's like right here. This whole section will need another coat. You can kind of tell there. That's where one of the holes was. There, so we'll throw another coat on the back of the car, so won't be too bad.
Alright guys, so in typical low standard garage fashion, we never finished the video. So basically what ended up happening with this side right here is so apparently with Rust-Oleum you gotta wait I think it's 48 hours. You gotta do it within like 4 hours or 48 hours. If you don't do it within 4 hours, you gotta wait 48 hours. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but on this side that we were just showing, it ended up bubbling a lot. So we're gonna have to repaint that, but we got all the holes filled. On the back, we ended up debadging it and then fixing. I had like a paint spot right here that was missing. I had scratches down by the handle from somebody throwing a shopping cart into it. But yeah, turned out pretty good. Yeah, this side is all good and everything. All the holes are gone. We wanted to get it done at that point. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it. It's like a week after the fact that I'm filming this, but we're gonna get it up and get it done, and we're hopefully gonna get some more going here. So make sure you like it, comment, subscribe, and come back for more. Thanks guys.